Guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, welcome. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by to hang out with me again. Today's video is going to be an update on how to use my blank chip bag template to help you make your own custom chip bag design. If you don't have the template already, it's available over in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description box down below if you're interested. Alright guys, so once all of your files are saved to your computer, you will notice that two of the files are in zip files. You simply have to unzip the files and see what's in them. Simply double click a file. On the next page, go to the very top and select Extract All. You can click Show. Alright, now you can see what's in the file. You have your chip bag template and you have your markup. We'll do the same thing to the next file where it says Birthday Nutritional Facts. Double click. You can see I have two nutritional facts for you and a barcode. I have also included a PDF to help you get started using the template over in Canva. Open the file, you're going to see a thank you message that I have for you all. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click here to access, and that link will take you to canva.com where the template is already set up for you. As you can see, the template is already set up for you. Your nutritional facts, your barcode. Down here, I have a design by, and you can just click here to add your information if you want to add your information. And right here, you can add your thank you text if you want to add that to the side. And from here, you can just start designing. Go to the upload tab and upload all of the clip arts and backgrounds, whatever you want to use for your design, and start designing. So from here, I'm going to show you how to design a chip bag, and I'm going to speed it up. point out that you can save this as a PNG file, and you can also save it as a PDF. All right, once your image is saved, you can just print. You can print it on the glossy paper, or you can print it on just white cardstock paper. I'm going to print them on both to show you the difference between the two, and I'm going to assemble. Okay, so here's how the design looks on the glossy paper. You see it's super bright, and here's how it looks on just white cardstock paper. So it's not as bright, and the cardstock works on different designs, but for chip bags and little goodie bags, the glossy paper definitely looks a lot better. So quick tip, when printing on glossy paper, you want to make sure you allow your image enough time to dry, because sometimes when you go to touch it, the ink will come off. So make sure you allow it to dry completely. And after that, you're just going to fold your corners back like this, and you're going to glue your two sides together, and you're going to glue your bottom. Guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you all found this tutorial helpful, and it helps you make your own custom chip bag designs. If you don't have the template already, and if you're interested in it, you can find a link in the description box down below. If you still have questions, you can hit me up on my Etsy shop, or you can shoot me an email. I'll leave the links to all of the information down below also. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.